Hello friends and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to create, let's work on laundry slash powder room as well because they're on a ground floor, and let's say you have particular stone that you want to work with. I'm just creating this video based on what clients in the past really liked, so I can also see what a lot of people resonate with. So you either fall in love with the tile or you fall in love with the stone and you want to kind of go from there and create the color scheme. Whatever you do first, it really doesn't matter. We can create magic both ways. So let's say for the purpose of this exercise, we're going to use white Attica. It's a Caesarstone. It's a beautiful stone and it has neutrals. So it has a white and it has a lovely neutral in it. And so we're going to test it. So I have already done this work for you. So I'm just going to put it here. So this darker color, and even a little bit darker than that, it's a gray with a green undertone. It's in this stone. So that is one neutral that we have. So we're going to have these undertones with us when we go to test the other elements that we need. And then this white in this stone is absolutely beautiful. This is the pure white from Dulux, and this is the color that I have tested, and it's exactly the same. It's matching like magic, this particular stone. So it's working really well. What that means, if you want your lovely two-pack kitchen where you're going, two-pack laundry where you're going to select the style of the door, and then it's going to be painted to perfection exactly to match your stone as it should, then this is the perfect color for you. Now if you want to use Polytech, I would still test the same way I test and the same way I teach in my online course all my students. Without the samples and testing, you are just guessing and you're making mistakes. You have to test everything. So you would take this sample and you would try to do your best to try to find the sample, but I can guarantee you that it's really hard to find the sample. With some stones, yes they do, but they don't have variety of different whites like the paint colors do. So if you are going to invest money in this renovation, you either have to, then if you can't find the perfect match for this stone, then pick another stone. Do whatever you need to do until you find the perfect match. And I know that a lot of you would, I don't want to do that, that's too complicated, but it does make a world of difference because these are the fixed elements. They're costing a lot of money. And if you are going to do it, you might as well do it well, because you don't want to be renovating every 5 to 10 years. So you know, and everything is so expensive these days, so you will want to pay attention to that. So this would be our color if we are painting the cabinets in the laundry and in the powder room, which I absolutely love. Now that we know we have a gray with a green undertone and we have a lovely warm white, now our tiles need to be also a gray green undertone or a warm white. I have obviously opted for a darker tile on the floor. I have found a lovely gray green, and I have also matched the, this is the grout that matches this style beautifully, and it works so well with the stone. They just work really well. And then in your laundry, you have two options. You can either have splashback Kit Kat tile, which works really well. I have gone for particularly this video, I have gone to Vermont Tiles and I have gone to National Tiles because they're not far away where I live. Excuse me. And I could not find a tile that matches this stone. And I've been doing this for 15 years and I really wanted to test it and see if I could find it, and I couldn't. So your option number 2 would be, you just go, if you want that seamless look, you just go all the way with the stone as your splashback, because there is no tile like this, or which everyone is madly in love at the moment with this one, the Zellage or the my god, brick tiles. There's no one of these that are matching this particular stone. So two options are, we either go with the darker undertone gray green, it almost has that like really deep charcoaly gray green look, but it's still gray green. None of these match. They're just too white. This particular white, it is a warm white, and it also has tiny tint of green in it, and it's impossible to find it in tiles. So don't do it. It's just not going to look good. So this would be your one option. Now, as for your powder room, you can also have the same tile on the floor. You can also go in certain areas on the wall, obviously, but you can also have these beautiful tiles as a splashback. They also have a lovely gray green, and they would also work really well. So with one stone, you can create two different looks. This is the grout that works with this, and you are using the same tile on the floor. And I would definitely, in this instance, for the laundry and powder room, I would paint the cupboards. I would choose the lovely style. I mean, go for it if you can find it, but I just couldn't find the match from Polytech or Laminex. Sometimes it's really hard to match. And as you can see, very easy. Now you can repeat this. Now another thing I wanted to say, that both white and black windows, or monument I should say, would work really well with this particular color scheme. So one stone, we know the undertone, we know the white paint color that works like a dream, and we have different gray green options of the tiles here just based on the stone that we have selected. So it is not complicated, but all you need to do is really test your undertones to perfection. And I teach you how to do this all in my online course. That is it for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them below. Ciao for now.